you are going to solve this question. Equality, treating equality of SURD. You are also find the square root of this. Please note that this is now equated to this. Please note that as long as we are talking about square roots, you have to square it this way. I look at my unknown to be x and y. So if you square this x and y, expanding this bracket will be the root of x plus the root of y into the root of x plus. So now this one times this one will give you x, this times this will give you xy. Note that this times this will give you xy root xy. Root y times root y will give you y. Okay now. So now here it does invisible one here, and there's invisible one here. 1 plus 1 give you these two. Now you have to write this x and y are different and one number on their own. So now comparing it, it means that this first one, x plus y, is compared to this 7. So this one as equation 1. Now you compare 2 into x into root xy equals to 2 root 10. Now 2 and 2 is common. Now you have root xy equals to 10. So root and root is common. So xy equals to 10. That becomes equation 2. From equation 1. From our equation 1, which is this one, is believed that x plus y equals to 7. So for me to get x alone, I would say 7 minus y. This becomes equation 3. So what I will do is I will put 7 minus y for x in equation 2. Please note, I will not put it back to equation 1, I will put it back to equation 2. The reason is that equation 3 is one from equation 1. So yeah, I will just recall equation 2 to be 10. Now, so anywhere you are seeing x, you put this. So here it's just like saying 7 minus y into y equals to 10. So 7 times this is 7y. 7 times y times y is minus y squared equals to 10. Okay, so by little rearranging it, you have it as y squared. This cross over this and this crossover. Here you have minus this 7. There is invisible plus, so crossing over will be minus 7y plus 10 equals to 0. So now we are up to this one. Looking at two numbers that you add, will give you 7, and the same two numbers you multiply will give you 10. The two numbers are 5, and here I have minus 5y, here is minus 2y, here plus 10 equals to 0. So I will group these two together using factorization method. Yeah, using factorization method. Now, so what is common here is y into y minus 5. Here, for me to get y, this y I have to here will be 2 outside y minus 5. Okay. So here I will equals to 0. I will then have y minus 2 into y minus 5 equals to 0. So here, this part, y minus 2 equals to 0. Then y is equals to 2 here on this part. Y minus 5 equals to 0. So y is equals to 5. Okay, so these are the two values of y. Now you recall from equation 3. Equation 3 says x is equals to 7 minus y. When y is equals to the first part of y 2. So that x will be 7 minus 2, which is equals to 5. So, okay, when y is equals to 5, x will be 7 minus 5, which is equals to 2. Okay, so we can then say, therefore, x plus y is now equal to, when x is 5, when x is 5, y is 2. Y is 2. So since they are repeated, you write twice. Okay, so that is just that. So 1b, you are going to do the same. I would like to use, here is 12 plus 2 root 35. Now, here I would like to use m and n. So let this be equal to m plus n. You just repeated a repetition of what you have done. Just something you can do about. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe so that you can get more solutions alternative formula is here just to give you free solutions to math problem. Okay, so let's go as we continue. Yeah, you compare this to be m plus n all squared. Now it's going to be m plus n into n root m plus root n. So now the same thing we have done. Now m times m, root m times root m will give you m. We are done with that. This times this give you mn. Then this one times this one give you mn. Then n times n root n times root n give you n. So invariably you can say mn. This I told you that there is invisible one here and invisible one here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2mn. Okay. So invariably we said that here will be our 12 plus 2 root 35 is equals to m plus n plus 2 root mn. Okay, so compounding coefficient. So it's believed that m plus n is equals to 12. This becomes equation 1. The other side of it, we will say that 2 root mn is equals to 2 root 35. Don't forget to go with this and this goes with this. So mn is equals to 35. So the same thing, call this equation 2 from equation 1. We said that m is equals to 12 minus n, with this become equation 3. Okay, so you substitute, put 12 minus n for m in equation 2. Please don't substitute it back to equation 3 because that is, so don't substitute it back to equation 1 because you follow equation 3 from 1. Okay, so here you already have mn is equals to 35. That is the equation 2 we are referring to. So yeah, instead of saying that, you say 12 minus n into n equals to 35. Okay, this time this gives you 12n minus n squared is equals to 35. Okay, so coming back to this point, you have n squared minus 12n plus 35 equals to 0. Two numbers that you add will give you 12 are 7 and 5. So 7 and 5. If you can write this, 7 and 5 will 5 plus root 2 what? Okay, so I can extend this point. Okay, so 7 and 5 are the two numbers you can use. So n squared minus 7n minus 5n plus 35 equals to 0. So your answer, the value of n here become 5 or 7. So yeah, this point, what you have is m is 7 plus n is 5, all twice. That becomes your answer. But if you need more explanation on this point, you email me through alternative formula at gmail.com. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. So the next B, C and D will be your practice. It's called exercise in mathematics. Then you will get back to me if you cannot really solve it. I will create a video for it. All it just to see how I can help you and not to make the video very voluminous for you to watch at once. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.